Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and today I would like to give you the following market update for Perrysburg. That's MLS Area 53. That includes Perrysburg and Perrysburg Township. So to top line everything, we have continuing to see dwindling inventory. And part of the problem is in March of this year versus March of last year, we're seeing less inventory, less new listings than there was the year prior. Pending sales have continued to rise, as have closed sales. And as these numbers go up, then this number goes down. What we're going to continue to see, folks, is this number down here dwindle away. And what that's doing right now is that is driving the median and average sale price in Perrysburg and Perrysburg Township areas way, way up. What this means for you is if you are a seller or borderline seller and thinking about making a move, now is your chance to do it, because this will not be this way for much longer. One of the reasons why we're seeing this is because of coronavirus. It has created a backlog of demand that has not been filled. And then when we couple that with the increasing cost of new supplies to build, it used to be you could buy a sheet of plywood for anywhere from $8 to $16 a sheet, depending on grade. Now it's up to $40, $50 a sheet. It's just costing way too much money to build new construction. So what people are doing is they're buying what's currently out there, and they are just taking time to renovate it. So if you've been on the fence, if you have a property that's too big, too small, whatever it may be, take advantage of this great seller's market, because what that will allow you to do is take the proceeds from the equity that you have earned in your property and then turn it around on the next purchase of the next home. And yes, you're going to see that on the buyer side as well, but what you're also taking advantage of the buyer side is the fact that you have record low interest rates right now, and that will not be there for long either. My prediction over the next few years is we will see inflation do its thing. And what that will likely mean is interest rates will go up and the cost of everything else will go up too. All these doom and gloom predictions that, oh no, the real estate market's going to crash, I call baloney on that. I think the real estate market will likely plateau off, and what it's going to happen is it's just going to be more expensive to buy in the future. So if you've been thinking about making a move, give us a call today. We would like to help you plan for that and make sure that you're making the best decisions for you and your family. Outside of that, here's some additional data. This is what the real estate market in Perrysburg looks like over the past 10 years, folks. All these doom and gloomers, this is what they're referring to. In 09, the crash of 09 is when everything kind of hit the bottom. And then ever since then, you can kind of follow a line straight up. It's normal for real estate to appreciate year over year. It's what it does. It's what it's likely to continue to do. What we may see is small corrections here and there, but a crash like we saw here is not likely, because the banks caused this over here, and then there's new laws that prohibit it from ever happening again. So again, if you have specific questions about your specific situation, happy to help you. Give the Trimpevsky Group a call, and we will be glad to answer any calls you may have. Thank you so much for watching today. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I hope this video has been worthwhile. If you like what you saw on here and would like to see more in the future, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so that way you're not missing out on any future episodes. We thank you again so much for joining us. This has been Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green. Have a great day.